The Nimitz-Class aircraft carriers stand as the apex of naval prowess, embodying the United States' commitment to projecting power and safeguarding global interests. Priced at $8.5 billion each, these carriers serve as more than mere vessels. They are symbols of American strength and capability. Significance of aircraft carriers. Aircraft carriers have long been the linchpin of U.S. military strategy, serving as mobile air bases that enable operations in distant theaters, especially during crises. Their mere presence often dissuades potential adversaries from threatening U.S. interests, while their aircraft conduct missions ranging from strikes on airborne and maritime targets to disaster response and humanitarian aid. Overview of the Nimitz-Class, comprising 10 carriers, the Nimitz-Class epitomizes American superpower status. Named after Admiral Chester Nimitz, who led the U.S. Navy in World War II, these behemoths are technological marvels, boasting unmatched capabilities that outshine rival naval platforms. Technical specifications, spanning over 1,000 feet in length and accommodating a crew of over 5,000, Nimitz-Class carriers are floating cities propelled by two A4W nuclear reactors. Their nuclear-powered propulsion ensures extended operational endurance, with a predicted service life exceeding 50 years. Built by Huntington Ingalls Industries, these carriers represent a pinnacle of engineering prowess. Carrier air wing strength. The true might of a carrier lies in its air wing, which has evolved to meet contemporary challenges. Comprising strike fighters, electronic warfare aircraft, and maritime patrol helicopters, today's carrier air wings boast enhanced striking power and defensive capabilities, ensuring dominance over vast swaths of ocean. Defensive systems. In addition to their formidable air wing, Nimitz-Class carriers are armed with sophisticated defensive systems, including missile launchers and close-in weapon systems. These defenses provide a layered shield against aerial and maritime threats, bolstering the carrier's survivability in hostile environments. Composition of Carrier Strike Group. When deployed, Nimitz-Class carriers lead carrier strike groups, CSGs, composed of surface combatants, submarines, and supply vessels. These groups enhance the carrier's offensive and defensive capabilities, ensuring mission success while mitigating vulnerabilities. Transition to Gerald R. Ford-class, as the era of Nimitz-Class carriers draws to a close. The U.S. Navy plans to replace them with the next-generation Gerald R. Ford-class carriers. This transition underscores the Navy's commitment to maintaining its naval superiority and adapting to evolving security challenges. Conclusion: the legacy of the Nimitz-Class carriers endures as a testament to American naval supremacy. As these venerable vessels prepare for retirement, they leave an indelible mark on maritime history, paving the way for the next chapter in naval warfare with the advent of the Gerald R. Ford-class carriers.